Raj, Boscoville, Missouri, and 551 Chevy truck. Ronald Thompson, Missouri, 56 Merton on the hand with 57 Ford F100, Independence, Missouri, into the ECR lane.